3 lovely notes he whistled, too soft to be heard if others sang. But others never sang in the great beech-wood all that May and June. No one saw him, I alone could hear him, though many listened. Was it but 4 years ago, or 5? He never came again. Oftenest when I heard him, I was alone, nor could I ever make another hear. He called, seeming far off, as if a cock crowed past the edge of the world, as if the bird or I were in a dream. Yet that he travelled through the trees and sometimes neared me was plain, though somehow distant still he sounded. All the proof is, I told men what I had heard. I never knew a voice, man, beast or bird, better than this. I told the naturalist, but neither had they heard anything like the notes that did so haunt me. I had them clear by heart, and have them still. 4 years or 5 have made no difference. Then as now, that was bodiless sweet. Sad, more than joyful it was, if I must say that it was one or other. But if sad, 'twas sad only, with joy too far off for me to taste it. But I cannot tell if truly never anything but fair the days were when he sang, as now they seem. This surely I know, that I who listened then, happy sometimes suffering, a heavy body and a heavy heart, now straightway, if I think of it, become light as that bird, wandering beyond my shore.